Going to be making apple pie. Let's start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. Okay, now we're going to prepare our apples. Let's start by using an apple press to get some good apple slices. Just like that. If you don't have one, you can just use your knife. Just makes it a little faster. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to break apart our apples like this and cut out the seeds. Just like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to chop it in half like that. Just like this, and in half. That's how we're going to do it for all 4 cups of our apples. Now that we've chopped all of our apples, we are going to dump this into our bowl, just like that. And then we're going to add just a little bit of lemon juice over the top. So, pour it over the top like that. About 2 of these. Just like that. And then we're going to add our sugar. Our nutmeg and cinnamon, and we're going to mix it together. Okay, now we can move on to our next step. Now we're going to put our filling into our pie crust. This pie crust is the same pie crust from my simple pie crust video. Go watch that, how to make the pie crust. So just dump it in there like this. Make sure you get all the liquid at the bottom too. And just spread it out. Then we can move on to our next step. Okay, now we're going to lay strips for the topping, just like that. Okay, now we're going to put our pie into our oven for 40 minutes at 425 degrees. This is our finished product.